Forgotten username recovery failed on River Financial app fix. If you're struggling to recover your River Financial username, most people get this wrong by skipping verification steps or using an outdated email. The surprising truth is that you can regain access quickly by following a precise approach. Step 1. Open the River Financial app or website and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. River Financial will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails can be filtered automatically, and multiple attempts too quickly may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your email is no longer active, gather verification information, including your full name, date of birth, and recent transactions. Contact River Financial support directly with these details. Including linked bank account information will help speed up verification. Step 4. After recovering your username, store it securely in a password manager or safe note. Activating two-factor authentication ensures your account remains protected and prevents future login issues. By carefully following these steps, you can regain access to your River Financial account efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are essential to keeping your financial assets safe.